Hi, I'm Mrs. Newberry, and thank you for joining me for Trending Teen Titles. This title that I'm going to share with you is about a sixth grader going through a lot of family ups and downs. But I wouldn't think this book is just for a sixth grader. Anybody would enjoy this book. It's something that will make you laugh. You will also cry as she goes through all her family ups and downs. So this is Ain't It Funny? Ain't It Funny by Margaret Gurevich. Is about an 11-year-old named Maya, and Maya's life is a bit of a mess. Her dad just moved out to pursue his stand-up comedy dreams. And her mom is so busy running the family's Russian deli. She doesn't even have time to worry about why Dad chose to go off and fulfill his dreams. Maya's anxiety and germ worries increase. So she has a few anxiety situations, and they're made worse. Her grandma always tells her, "Slazy goryu ne pomaze." Tears won't help sorrow. So her grandma is very old-fashioned and believes in pulling up your pants and going forward. Don't think about what makes you sad. Just keep going. Don't deal with what's wrong. Just keep working. Keep pushing forward. Tears won't help your sorrows. But right now, Maya's having a hard time being strong. So when her teacher, Miss Banta, announces the sixth grade talent show, Maya sees an opportunity. If she can perform stand-up comedy in the show, kind of like her dad, she can prove to her mom and dad that comedy has a place in all their lives and try to bring them back together again. But conquering her fears and her family falling apart and a growing feeling inside her of anxiety is easier said than done. So, let's see. Stacey McNulty is the author of The Miscalculations of Lightning Girl, and she says, "This novel made me laugh and then cry and then stayed with me long after I finished reading." And Jennifer Jacobson of Small as an Elephant wrote, "Maya's genuine and hopeful spirit captivated me from the start. I rooted for her as she skillfully navigated the humorous challenges of working in her grandmother's Russian store, negotiated growing family and school anxieties, and geared up for her debut as a stand-up comedian." So come on into the library if you are interested in learning how Maya dealt with all the things happening in her life. Ain't It Funny? By Margaret Gurevich. We will have a copy here at the library for you. Thank you for joining me for Trending Teen Titles, and I'll see you next time.